Like I said, I've opened this about 10 times now. But I cannot figure out actually how to open it every single time. And I don't even care if it's every single time, but, I mean, we're going on 6 minutes and 18 seconds. Now, imagine if I was trying to get in their locker or whatever. Man, I couldn't get in their locker in 6 minutes and 18 seconds. There's no way in hell. But as I'm watching, like, Bosnian Bill and all these other kids, they're able to do this stuff, man. Like, not even this one, but major ones in like 4 minutes, alright? And all I see is them doing is this. They stick it in there and they're like, yep, okay, no, I feel 4. Yep, okay, I feel 4. That's good. I feel 3. Okay, I feel 3. I feel, yep, I feel 2. 2's right there. Wait, 1, yep. But I see them doing this. See him. Seems super easy. Diamond. But I can't even seem to do it on the most basic lock there is. I mean, you'd be happy if I'm the thief on your gym locker, okay? Because holy fuck. Nope. See, I don't know how long I should actually record this before I press pause and start a new one. The son of a bitch! Here, let's try this wrench. Although I'm sure it's not the tension wrench at the moment because I only have a few that's getting in the way. I'm sure it's my picking ability and the ability I have to rake. But my whole thing is like, dude was like, oh, it's super easy to rake. Oh, just rake it. Motherfucker, I'm raking the crap out of it. Although each time I have been doing that this time, I have been feeling something. I've been feeling it move. I've been feeling some ticks and some tocks up in that tension. Alright, so that's about 10 minutes right now. I'm sitting at 9:57. I'm going to stop this video and then restart it. And still work at this motherfucking lock. Alright.